Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply voice characters to your voice on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to record mine first. Just hit the record button. You can apply it to an audio that you already have. Select the input device and adjust the volume, and I'm just going to enable echo reduction. I'm then just going to press the big red button here and start talking. Hey guys, so this is just a sample of my voice to use for this example. And then I'm just going to simply select the audio. If you're on basic here, I'm just going to adjust the volume a little bit maybe. If you're on basic, just go to voice changer and go to voice characters. Now some of these, like the doll, zombie, witch, and werewolf, you need the pro feature, but you can still choose trickster, elf, Jessie, chipmunk, bestie, and robot. So let's try the bestie one and apply it to our audio. Just going to wait for this.
Hey guys, so this is just a sample of my voice to use for this example.
That's the bestie one. This is the trickster one. I like this one.
Hey guys, so this is just a sample of my voice to use for this example.
And that's it. Just select the one that you want and it's going to just be applied to your audio. And if you want to go back to the original one, just like original. Hey guys, so this is just a that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!